In this video, we're going to be going over the Instagram collabs feature and how you can use it and how everything works. So I'm going to jump on my screen and I'll show you guys exactly how to use it. So in order to use the Instagram collabs feature, all you have to do is go over and post like you're going to do a normal post. So on Instagram, let's say I want to create a post. Now, this only works for Reels and for normal posts right now, lives and stories you cannot do this for, but hopefully in the future we will have that ability. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go like I'm creating a normal post here, choose my image that I want. And then once I choose all the filters, everything else, I'll write my caption, do all the normal stuff. And all you have to do is go over to where it says tag people. I'm going to click tag people. And right at the very top, you'll see something that says invite collaborators. Now, if I click on that, it will let me search for a person. Now, let's say I want to tag The Rock and collaborate with him. Well, some celebrities you might not be able to do that too, but there's a lot of different companies and other things, so I could just click one if I wanted to. You'll see they're tagged on there, but they're also a collaborator, and what that means is it will show up on their profile as if they posted it. And from there, I would just click done. And from that, I would click share, and it's as easy as that when it comes to creating it. Now, if you want to see what it looks like, let me show you. So this is an example of what a collaborative post looks like. At the top of this post, you can see where it's different profiles up here. So you can see all the collaborators on this. Now I can click into each of their profiles and the views on this and the analytics get shared across different accounts. So you're actually able to see the back end of this. So it automatically will show on each collaborator's feed. Now, each collaborator has the ability to remove this from their feed if they want to, and that will not delete it from anyone else's, but they can remove it at any time. So it's a way, instead of duplicating content, you're able to have it shown on multiple people's feeds and get those views and all those impressions on one post instead of doing it across multiple different posts and they're all separate. So you can kind of build up the engagement and views on it from that side. So you're able to invite collaborators, kind of how we showed before, and they'll show up kind of like this. And on the back end, you'll be able to see the analytics and that it's a collaborated post and how it's performing. Now, anyone can be a collaborator. You don't have to have a special account. So there's no real limitation. You don't have to have a business account, but the collab has to be accepted just to show on that person's profile, the collaborator's profile. You can't just spam everyone with collabs because that's what a lot of people are doing. It's not just going to show on their feed. And there are settings you can do for collaboration posts on the back end of Instagram as well. Now, when it comes to editing the post, only the initial creator can edit the post and collaborators can't. And you can only invite collaborators before the post is created, not afterwards. So that's how you can create a collab and everything you need to know about Instagram collaborations.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed with marketing your small business? Let our experienced marketing team help your business grow. With personalized strategies tailored to meet your needs, we'll help you stand out in a crowded market. Contact us today for more information at foxsocialmedia.com.